Okay, here's one final perspective on the snowstorm. That's the same shot that I did at the beginning, and then when the snow had pretty much stopped. You can't see the bench anymore, and the reason why you can't see the bench is that we had to dig, obviously. There's the path going in. There's a path to the back and the driveway. So basically all that snow had to go someplace. So that's where the snow is right now. If you go down the street a little bit, back to where I was shooting before, you can see that there's a path that's been cut here. One of the I dug some, but one of the neighbors with his snowblower also took a path down here. Let's go to the spot where I shot everything else. And again, here you have it. There's the street. The streets are pretty clear, but the snow piles are very, very large. So it's all a question of, I mean, take a look at that thing. That snow pile in the corner there. If you were a little kid, that's your dream snow fort. So that's the aftermath. We're also supposed to get more snow in a week or so, this week, so that'll be fun. I don't know where we'll put it, but we'll figure that out when